Is your 2006-2010 Ford Fusion key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video guides you through a simple DIY replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership fees. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your fob working like new again, referencing up-to-date information for 2025. The 2006-2010 Ford Fusion key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon and AutoZone. Expect to pay $1 to $5 per battery. Consider eco-friendly options like rechargeable or recycled variants from Duracell or Energizer. For this replacement, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Insulated tools are recommended to prevent short-circuiting the circuit board, but not strictly necessary. Have a soft cloth on hand to protect the fob casing from scratches. To open the key fob, carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or a coin into the small slot on the side of the fob. Gently twist the tool to separate the two halves of the plastic casing. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the clips inside the fob. For visual guidance, refer to online video tutorials from sources like Auto Repair Guys. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside the casing. The battery might be held in place by a metal retainer clip. This is the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery you need to replace. Gently pry out the old battery from the retainer. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct polarity. The positive side should face up, marked with a plus sign. Place the battery into the casing. The battery must sit flush against the contacts for optimal performance. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure they are fully aligned and the clips are securely fastened. Test the fob by pressing the buttons lock, unlock, panic to confirm the vehicle responds. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and contact alignment. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for these common issues: incorrect battery polarity, misaligned casing, damaged circuit board, or water damage. Experts report that 40% of key fob failures stem from dead batteries, and 65% of Ford Fusion owners experience at least one fob issue within the vehicle's lifespan. Damaged circuit boards often result from improper handling or overzealous prying during disassembly. Water damage from car washes or exposure can corrode internal components, requiring full fob replacement rather than just a battery swap. To avoid these issues, avoid overzealous prying that can damage clips. Check batteries annually and ensure proper reassembly with correct polarity. Improper handling can void warranties or lead to expensive repairs, and non-functional fobs can reduce your vehicle's resale value by 5 to 10%. Check your key fob battery annually to prevent lockouts. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. While DIY is cost-effective now, future trends may favor full key fob replacements costing $50 to $100 by 2030 as parts become scarcer. Consider aftermarket enhancements like programmable fobs with extended ranges if needed. Resale values drop 5 to 10% if fobs are non-functional, so proactive maintenance is important.